Presenting a pre-owned 2018 Jeep Renegade. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.4-liter i4 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Jeep has less than 52,000 miles on the odometer. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, roof rails, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, spare tire kit, and window defogger.